Alright, boys and girls, we got a mail time of sorts today. So let's bust out the Mr. Rogers chair. I made in high school. I got this guy, which it feels like a camshaft. I got this guy, which I accidentally opened, thought it was something else. And I picked up this today too, which is super cool because this piques my interest right away. Hey, it says Elgin Industries on the box. So let's open what I already got. It's from Soundman Enterprises. Douglas. One day only autographed limited amplified commemorative wall placard. Mike Hennessy bought it. It says who bought it. Russell Sausage Weenie. Doug Bernards and Mike Hennessy, thank you so much. That stuff's awesome. I have a Rafa's mom commemorative wall plate also that Derek Gaskins got me. Let's open this Elgin box. Thank you, Mike Hennessy. Thank you, Soundman Doug, for making funny shit people buy. Oh man, they sent me shirts and a business card. Inside sales coordinator. I wonder if they sent me a letter. You think? They sent me hats. Look at all the hats. That's cool as hell. You think these guys heard about? Maybe they wonder why they sell 300% more cams last year. White shirt, gray shirt, black shirt, another black shirt. They did write me a letter. Awesome. Elgin Industries. Elgin Industries Pro Stock. Engineered Excellence. Elgin Equipped. This is nice. This is really nice. Scott Steer, is that how you say it? Oh man, they sent me stickers. They got Elgin Industries little planes you can put together for my little guy. What else do we got? Stickers. Elgin Fanatics. Elgin. Awesome. And they did send me a letter. And a catalog. Holy shit. Hello, Matt, Jamie, and the entire Sloppy Mechanics family. And they spelled Jamie right. And he dated it 8/20, so a little bit before my birthday. Thank you for cultivating the next generation of hands-on car builders. Your videos and tech articles on the wiki are an incredible resource for today's high-tech drivetrains. Elgin is tempted to catalog our 1840p as the Sloppy Stage 2. Could you please confirm receipt of this care pack? Maybe we could do a test. Maybe we could use a test. What does this say? Test and pictures in our new 2019 catalog. Awesome. Elgin turns 100 years old next year. We've made auto parts in one town by one family for almost 1 century. Thank you, Scott Steer. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to reach out to you, Scott. They sent me parts catalogs and everything. I'm gonna be right back. I'm back. They sent me a catalog and everything. I would love to call you. I'd love to have it named officially the Sloppy Stage 2. LS Engine Applications. They have their own springs and timing chains and push rods and cams. There we go, 1840p. 228, 230, 112. Incredible. They have some other camshafts too. A ton of part numbers, but the 18s are my favorites, obviously. the 4 lifters and everything. I'm gonna have to give you a ring, Scott. I really appreciate it. I mean, I'm not looking for any notoriety or anything, but the long story is we found this cam worked really well. We're always looking for budget options, obviously, and you find this stuff, Trick Flow, Jegs, Summit, a bunch of people sell this camshaft as their own, and we were able to trace it back to you guys cutting it. So, you know, as we say, there's only like 3 places that cut cams, so I was very surprised to learn about Elgin. I had never heard about you guys, and we dove down and found that you guys basically cut the cam. So, I mean, the long story short is we've been able to find this cam on places for almost 200 bucks, like 225, 240 regularly in the 250 area, and then on an eBay discount day, like 10 to 20%, you can get this cam for 200 bucks, and then you can get the valve springs for a discount also through eBay. It would be neat to work with you guys and do something else. The cam is like perfect nearly in my opinion as is, but I'll definitely like to call you. I would love to have it officially named the Sloppy Stage 2. I think it's great that you think that's cool and that you extended that offer. I will take you up on that. I would love to be part of that. And in your catalog would be awesome too. I can send you pictures or other things. You guys make an excellent product. I must have installed 40 of these damn things. So that's exciting. That's really exciting. You guys send me a lot of cool stuff. Hats, shirts, everything. Mr. Sloppy Matt. I think I know what this is. This is a cam also. I think this is a guy that does regrinds. He's on Sloppy and he contacted us, and see if there's a note in here. That's stapled. There is a packing slip. Let's open this up. Handwritten note. I like handwritten notes. Afternoon, Matt. Hope all is well. I've made tooling from the Jeg Stage 2 cam, the 228-230, and I'm able to offer it a regrind on a customer's OEM core. I offer this service to the Sloppy page for $125 each, plus return freight. Send me a PM on Facebook. John Bodwell. So he copies the Elgin cam that I just got the paperwork on. I don't mean to, like I said to John, I think my wife talked to him and I answered her and then she talked to him. I'm not a huge fan of regrinds because then you need to get push rods because you're changing the base circle of your cam. So it's not just a drop in. And I know plenty of people have no problem with them at all, but I have an issue where I don't trust them. Once they're reground, I feel like it messes with the hardness and they're not gonna last as long. I know some people are gonna argue with that. That's awesome that you sent me one. I wonder, I'll probably make a post about this and give it away locally to somebody that wants to try it. That's why I'd like for someone to try it. I don't wanna try it right now. I'll do an update video quick on my G. I just did bushings and stuff in the rear, and I want to put the big nitrous shot through it soon because the blower is getting sent back to me soon, and I want to put the blower on. And I'm also in the middle of some stuff. I want to try a camshaft with Jegs. Jegs wants me to try a cam, so I'm entertaining that. This is a great option for people that want to save some money. I don't want to jump all over this. I'd like to question the reliability of it first. I hope you don't take any offense. I think we told you that. He said he was going to send it anyway and I could do what I want with it. So maybe I'll do a giveaway to someone local and we'll try it out and I'll make sure they're okay with putting it in and getting their own push rods and stuff. But that's awesome that you could regrind like a stock truck cam with a different base circle. But you know, it just has to prove reliable because it's not that it's bad or good, it just has no history, John. That's the only, you know, just like the injectors. over the years, the Chinese injectors are awful, but Snake Eater has taken the time to get a really good result. And then he contacted me and he's like, can you try these unofficially? And if they do well, we can keep working with them. And now they seem to be very good. It seems like a reliable product. It's still in an infancy stage, but we're getting there. They seem good, so it might be the same thing with you. I hope you guys can understand my empathy. You know, I'm trying to say it's not good or bad. Delta camshaft. Okay. Yeah, anyway, we're gonna work something out. I'd like to see someone local try this that wants to, that has the means to try it. Other than that, awesome. Thank you, Mike Hennessy and Elgin Cams. We'll get in touch with you, Scott, and we'll see what we can do about this cam, John. And I'll also let other people know. It's John Bodwell if you guys want to get a regrind and test it out with him also. And we'll figure out like a giveaway post for this, or I'd like it to be somebody local that I kind of know or knows somebody. I don't want to give this to somebody and then have a problem. Again, like I'd rather not give it away at all if it's gonna, you know, I'm sure some of you can understand what I mean. So that's mail time for today. It's not Friday mail time. We'll probably call it that just because. That is all. That's what I got today. It's super exciting about Elgin here. That's cool. Because they appreciate what I do. Bye.